Okay, so once you create a grid, you already by default get a topic created in your grid. I would really recommend that the students respond to this topic so that they get to know the platform, and it's kind of fun because here, if you look at it, it says share a fun fact about themselves, and this would help them kind of get to know the platform, and it's really fun. I have 0 responses to this topic right now because I haven't shared the flip code with my students, and that's why I have 0 replies and views. Now let's get started by creating a topic. We just go to add new. We can add a title, so this could be algebra, adding numbers and variables. I can set a recording time for my students, the maximum amount of time they can use to respond. It's 5 minutes. I can add a prompt. I can add a focus, which could be any media resource you want to share directly. So it could be you recording a video of yourself. This option will open up photo booth. Then you can upload a video. You can add a YouTube or a Vimeo. You can add a Kahoot if you want to. If you go to more options, you can add a tip if you want, and you can also add attachments here. So if you want the kids to look at a resource, for example, I want them to look at the class Padlet, I'll go here, copy that link, I'll paste it, then I add a title, class Padlet, I add the attachment if I want them to look at this resource. I go here, paste this, oops, and so on. Now this could be really important for us in our VLP because first of all, this one helps you moderate the videos. So if you want students to not look at each other's responses, or if you want to make sure that what students are posting is appropriate, you can switch this on. If you want students to respond to each other, especially it could be helpful in situations where you want them to give feedback to each other, you can set this as on as well. These two together, like the status and freeze, launch and freeze dates, could be really helpful in our short learning sessions that we have with our kids. And for example, if you set this as active, the students will be able to respond to this topic. But if you set it as frozen, the students will no longer be able to respond to the topic. So this would create like a soft deadline for the kids, and they'll know that it's too late to respond to this topic and this last one is hidden if you don't want the kids to see this topic anymore. You can also set automatic freeze and launch dates. The only thing is that it won't work for hours. It can only work for a day or multiple dates. So if I want this, if I select this option, and from here I select this, the topic will be active from 12th to 19th, and if I select this as being the same day, it will be active from 12:01 a.m. to 11:59 p.m. So this can really help you moderate a lot of student video responses and the time and the deadlines. This is where the fun features come in, where you can have the students post selfies, and if students can like each other's videos, the students can rearrange and get really creative with the video clips, add sticky notes. So it's up to you how you want to do this. The last one is feedback. I would just let it be basic feedback, and then you create your topic. Your topic is ready, and you can copy and share this code with your students. Now right now, if you can see, the topic created has the Padlet and the resource that I linked, and I have 0 responses because I haven't shared this with the students.